We all want to make money, and by that I mean thousands and tons of money. Big thanks to this website that I'm about to show you, it will be possible for us to make $50,000 or more. This is such a great website that gets us paid online. What makes it even greater is that you don't have too much time and work here. You don't even have to be a professional writer or editor for you to qualify. This simply means that anybody can work on this, and it doesn't matter wherever you are in this world. If you want to generate more money online, just keep on watching.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Just a little disclaimer, what I'm about to share with you will not make you a millionaire or become crazy rich, but this will surely be helpful for you if you get off those holiday sales and get your bills done. I will not prolong it any longer. Let's get into the tutorial and keep going. The first website that you need to head over to is surely familiar to you, and that is Amazon.com. You can simply head over to Amazon Kindle on Google, or you can simply put this link off in the URL, amazon.com/Kindle ebooks. Either way, that will now take you over to the Amazon Kindle, and yes, Amazon will be the one to actually pay you. With that said, I will now show you how you can earn money with the use of Amazon with no skills needed and absolutely not that much work involved.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Before I begin, I'd like to say that Amazon is one of the biggest companies all over the world up to date. The website has been visited by over 2 billion people, and its popularity has reached most people, especially from the United States. If you're also thinking about what Amazon Kindle is, it is actually a section that you can see on Amazon.com. It's a place where people are selling different types of ebooks, and how they do it is really simple. No complexities and surely no hassle. When you upload an ebook to Amazon.com, it will automatically drive traffic to this website. It is as easy as that. Also note that when someone makes a purchase, you get paid to sell ebooks on Amazon. It is insanely profitable. Now, take some time to look at these ebooks that I found that are all related to American literature. And you can see here that the person is selling this ebook for $14 with over 7,000 ratings. If you come back to think about it, that person has made a huge amount of money that's ranging from almost $100,000. And again, all that the person did was upload the ebook here effortlessly. See? Just exactly what I said earlier. You will be able to make thousands of dollars here by selling ebooks, and the fact that you can do it at your own convenience with no hard work needed at all makes it even more compelling than the others. And what makes it even more promising is that Amazon is widely used worldwide. You may now think that it's impossible for you to do it since you're not a writer or you don't have any experience as how to do the ebook, which is why I'll be showing you another platform that will surely help you publish things. First things first, you need to sign up to Amazon Kindle for you to be able to publish anything, and you will then go over to this, kdp.amazon.com. On this page, you can see that it will only take 5 minutes for you to publish your ebook, and it will then be available for sale on Amazon Kindle within the next 24 to 48 hours. What you will do now is I want you to go back up and simply click on the sign up button. They will then ask you to sign in, and since you don't have an account yet, you'll want to click on the Create Your KDP Account link button. In creating the account, you will be asked to enter your data, and once you're done filling it all in, just click on Create Your KDP Account, and then you're done. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now that you've created your account already, you are now free to publish ebooks. Now, let's delve down to the second platform needed when you are not into writing at all. This platform will simply help you obtain ebooks, and then you can actually resell them. This website that I'm referring to has assisted people in the digital market in making more money than they imagined without having to invest a huge amount of capital. BuyQualityPLR.com is the name of the website. You'll be able to find a variety of digital products that you have a license to use and even profit from using this platform. You'll find articles, movies, and of course, what we're talking about, ebooks. You may get an ebook for only $5 to $10, then publish it on Amazon with a topped-off price, where, as you've seen, some people have made insane amounts of money selling their ebooks, owing to Amazon's overwhelming popularity and validity as a website. Just to clarify, this site does actually contain free ebooks, and so what I would recommend you guys to do is come over to this platform, move your mouse over this arrow next to free PLR here, and then select free PLR ebooks. This will now show you a bunch of ebooks that you can use free of charge, and you will now want to publish them on Amazon Kindle. And once you make just enough money to buy an ebook on this website, that is what you will want to do. In this fashion, you will not have to invest any of your money up front, and you will actually be able to see that this does work for you, and you won't just invest money in vain. Once you make some sales in those paid ebooks that you purchase, you can then reinvest that money into this website, buy a few more ebooks, and list them for sale as well.
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.